What a view, what a commute, what a way to start week 4 of our spring 2025 semester. Here's your quick announcements, overview, recap, review. Well, here's what we're doing this week. So week 4 is going to be about technical visuals. And so in your online materials, you will watch my reacting to technical visuals video, or just go through a bunch of, again, just like real life professional examples of technical documents, and I look at their visuals and just talk about them, and also go over some like tools and stuff that we tend to use in the field. Then after that, you'll have your reading chapter or podcast lecture, and in that specifically we're going to define kind of what we mean by technical graphics, technical visuals, discuss all the kind of specific types that are most common and that you'll be using on your projects and more likely to interact with. And then I'll end with a discussion of tools, best practices, as well as like copyright, and a discussion of fair use. Now, I do expect in many of your projects will have a grading line of you using any kind of graphics and content ethically and thinking through and respecting sort of copyright licenses, and not just like pulling random things off the internet. So definitely pay attention to that section, because we are good ethical technical writers who make either our own visuals so we can hold the copyright on it, or we really think through and respect fair use considerations, but mostly we're going to be, looking for and using those sort of CC licenses. So that section goes in depth, and I do expect you to adhere to that as young professionals. Right, and then in a lab this week, we will be practicing sketching different diagrams of stuff and using those digital tools. So come in. I think it's a fun day, sort of drawing and practicing with that. But I will, see you there or see you online. And your document analysis this week, where you will analyze and specifically look at the visuals included, is actually an example kind of proposal from when they were building the engineering annex, the new engineering building on campus. So I think that's fun to look at, what they planned and proposed to do, and now we actually know what they did. Have a good week. Reach out.